In this video, I will show you how to install Yupp TV on your Android TV. Like to subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. So, if you have an Android TV and you're connected to internet and you want to install Yupp TV without Google Play Store, here's what you should do. You're going to come onto this application called Downloader, which is an application I use to download files, APKs from across the internet to my Android TV without Google Play Store. So once you are here, you're going to come over to the search box and type in Yupp TV. Now, before I forget, if you don't have download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There's a link there that's going to help you to get downloaded on your Android TV. After getting a downloader, you're going to type in Yupp TV and click on search. Once you search, here's the result that is going to come up for you. And once you're here, you're going to see here's a result. I think it's one of them, one of the best. You can scroll through down to see other options that are possible. Here's another one for Microsoft apps. But I think that works best on PC. If these options are not enough, just come over to next and click on next. I'm going to show you other options. But I think we're going to try this option here. So this is another option. I think this is going to help you to get the application. So what you're going to go over here and see how this is going to look like. So click there, and yes, it's going to bring you to the web version of this. And if the application is compatible with your smart TV or your app Android TV, you're going to see the install button and just go ahead and install the application to your Android TV. Like also subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.